Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to an episode of Life Made Easy. Sorry for the poor lighting, but I just want to bring you a quick update video on the Galaxy S9. I've had this phone, I think for around 2 months now. I think I got it sometime in July, I can't remember. But just want to give you an update, like 2 months later, update on how it's been going. And I'm just going to keep this nice and brief, just list a few points. I'm not going to drag this out or anything. So yeah, let's just hop right into it. Number one, display, best screen I've ever used in a smartphone. Samsung makes the best displays. Can't argue that. I use the adaptive setting when it comes to the OLED. I found that one was the best. The other ones kind of looked a little muted with the colors. I like saturated colors. Next, let's talk about battery life. I'd say battery life is pretty good. I wouldn't say it's the best on Samsung flagships. I think the S10 is definitely better. But if you're a light to medium user, I think this can do you well. If you're a heavy user, probably not. But sometimes I've been able to get really good battery life out of this. I think of one time I lasted like close to 2 days, so really solid for that day. And then other days it could be kind of blah and only last like 3/4 of a day, and I have to charge it up. So it depends on your usage. So heavy user, probably want to stay away from this and get a bigger phone, or a phone with a bigger battery. Speed, Snapdragon 845, insanely fast, no lag on anything. Edge panels works great, all that good stuff. No problems there. The processor is still really good. This is last year's Snapdragon processor. They're currently up to like the 855 or something like that. So yeah, let's talk about hardware. I really like the hardware. Fingerprint scanner is insanely fast, as you can see here. Really quick, no issues there. I also like how you can slide down and bring down your notification tray. Something that's kind of underestimated is the vibration here. So if you're like in a app or something where the home screen goes away, this isn't a good example, but say you're in like YouTube and you're like watching a video and take up the full display, all you have to do is like hard press here and it'll go back to the home screen, which is really nice. So yeah, I mean, this has all the Android customization you want. If you're an Android user, you're gonna like this phone. So no issues there. I really like the widgets on this phone. Gaming has been really solid. I played some Clash Royale on this phone. Really good there, no issues. Texting, definitely. I really enjoy Samsung Messages. If you guys want to try another messaging app other than iMessage, if you have an iPhone, check out Samsung because their messaging app is really good. And the last thing I want to talk about is just like overall camera quality, because it's really solid. Selfie camera, really good, but the main feature is the back camera. Really good night shots on this. I've tested this outdoors at night. Really solid shots. The super slow-mo, really cool, and also video is insanely smooth. No hiccups or anything there. So guys, that's gonna be my quick review of Samsung Galaxy S9 in 2019, 2 months later review. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a like on this video, subscribe, hit that notification bell, do all the good stuff. Go check out my merch store, link down below. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.